Hey, Assembly is a predictive public opinion engine for founders. Instead of asking a chatbot for generic opinion, Assembly creates an evidence grounded market room around your product. As you can see here, in this submit a product brief, you submit or input the product name, the product description, primary price, launch geography, your target customers, competitors, and then some additional details which are required here for you to fill, including the number of agents slash the synthetic users or the personas you want to simulate in your society. For this particular example, we have taken the product name Quiet Cart, which is an unlaunched Chrome extension for online shoppers who want to stop impulse buying without fully blocking shopping sites. And that's it. There you go, and you run the simulation. Now it takes typically around 10 to 15 minutes for the whole simulation to complete. So we have already prepared a report for you for this particular product called Quiet Card. Here, what you get is the founder takeaway, the best fit audience, the hardest to convince audience, with the number of groups that are being spawned here. The number of personas we spawned here was 25, and then they went through multiple rounds of discussion, debates, and convincing with each other. We also give the user to see the visual graph over here, and also some stats here, which includes the number of agents slash the synthetic users or humans that shifted their opinions. The user also gets the access to a in-depth report which looks somewhat like this. And apart from that, we have some additional details here, which includes the synthetic intent snapshot, what the society pushed back on, what would change their minds, and even the society composition in brief here. Now, this is exactly what the synthetic society slash the world looks like for a founder. In short, Assembly helps founders rehearse the market before their market responds by simulating a whole market slash the society for them.